How to use Holafly eSIM. Holafly is a company that provides international eSIM solutions for travelers, offering unlimited data plans in over 200 destinations without roaming charges. They focus on being carbon neutral. First, go to Settings of your smartphone, and then Connections. Once there, look for SIM Manager to find the installation options for your eSIM. Under eSIM, select Add eSIM to start the installation process for your new mobile plan. Select Scan QR code from service provider. Scan the QR code that's sent to your email by pointing the box shown on the screen over the QR code. Wait a few seconds while your new mobile plan is identified. Press Add to add it to your device. That's it. Thanks for watching.